of car insurance premiums that feel like they're draining your bank account. Let's dive into how to slash those costs right here, right now. First things first, comparison is key. Don't just stick with the first quote you see. Use comparison websites like Compare the Market, Money Supermarket, and Confused.com. Input your details once and watch as dozens of insurers compete for your business. This is the easiest way to see a wide range of prices and find the cheapest options available. Next up, consider increasing your excess. Your excess is the amount you pay towards a claim before your insurance kicks in. A higher excess means a lower premium. Just make sure you can comfortably afford that excess if you ever need to make a claim. Now, let's talk security. Insurers love it when you take steps to protect your car. Install an alarm, an immobilizer, or even a simple steering wheel lock. Parking in a garage overnight can also lower your premium. Make sure to declare these security features to your insurer. Building a no-claims bonus is a surefire way to save money in the long run. Drive carefully and avoid making claims. Even for minor incidents, the longer you go without claiming, the bigger your discount will be. Protect your no-claims bonus with an add-on. Once it is high enough, it will be well worth it. And that's it. By comparing quotes, adjusting your excess, boosting your car's security, and building a no-claims bonus, you'll be well on your way to securing cheaper car insurance in the UK. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.